Usability is essential for every product's success, and the System Usability Scale, one of the most widely used tools for quick usability analysis, sets the standard. But traditional methods for interpreting results require a lot of manual work, making them inefficient, error-prone, and somewhat tedious. Introducing the SUS Analysis Toolkit. Choose from over 20 researcher-validated languages and variations to find the perfect version of the SUS for your study. After the usability experiment, enter your results manually or upload them as a CSV file to get started instantly. As soon as your data was validated, all descriptive statistics are calculated automatically. Explore a variety of plots like SUS scores as bar or box plots, SUS scores on a percentile curve, analyze the per-item level differences, or check the conclusiveness of the study's results. Finally, customize the plots to fit your needs and download publication-ready graphs. You want to use the results in the scientific context? Dive deeper with inferential statistics to determine if differences between SUS study scores, whether between or within subject groups, are statistically significant. Sounds good? Then check out sus.tools.